Hello everyone. Today we are going to understand the very important question which every student is having. And that question is it necessary to learn all the programming languages? So, whenever the new student comes to us, he will ask you, Sir, I want to learn C, Java, Python, data science, machine learning, everything I want to learn. So, is it really necessary to learn all the programming language? So, in today's video, I'm going to explain you all your doubts in a very detailed way. Just stay connected till the end. So, let us start with this. So, basically, what are the languages do we have like C, C++, Java, Python, data science, AWS, and so many languages are there. So, is it necessary to learn all? The answer is no. There, first, you should ask the question to yourself, what is the purpose to learn the languages? Number one, are you a complete beginner, or you want to learn the programming for your academics, or you want to learn the programming for your job perspective? So, what is your requirement that you should understand first? If you are an engineering student, then what are the things you should learn? I will tell you. So first, what you should observe, what are your academic subjects? Means in the first year, what is your subject? What are the subjects in second year? What are the subjects in third year? What are the subjects in fourth year? First, you should make a list of those subjects and then start learning. Suppose if you are having C language, then you learn the C language first. Don't jump directly to the Python. Because what I observe, when you are having the subject in your academics, there will be two advantages. One, you can start your career with that language, and the second advantage is you can score very good marks in your academics. So whatever your subject that you started. As I observe in engineering, you are having in second semester C++. Then start with these two languages. But when you are planning for data science or ML or AI, if your branch is that, then you should start with Python, because you don't have in your academic C language. In that case, you are having Python. So can I start directly with Python? Answer is yes, you can start with Python. So what you understood from here is, if you are learning for your academics purpose, then you should start your career in the programming as per your semester wise subject. That is a tip number one. The tip number two, if you are planning to learn for your job prospect, then how I should start? So some people will come, sir, no, please teach me all the programming language within the 2 or 3 months. I will strongly recommend you should not learn all the programming language at once, because I will tell you why. Suppose imagine if you are trying to learn all the programming languages in a first attempt, you will get lot of confusion into that one. So first you should decide in what language you want to make a career. Sir, how can I decide? So I will tell you basic thing. It is not exact. Suppose you are having Java, Python, you are having cloud technologies like AWS, DevOps, and you are having like data science. So basically, these are the four fields nowadays people are learning more. There are so many fields, but these are the first four things which everyone want to learn. So if you want to choose the Java, when you should choose the Java? Number one, if you are from the background of computer and you are really interested in the coding, then I will recommend to go with the Java. Why? Because Java, what I feel, it is little bit tough language, but it is a very good language in the market. So many jobs are available into this one. But here you should have at least 6 months of time to learn all the programming languages, because not only core Java, you should learn core Java, advanced Java, Spring Boot, Hibernate, all the languages you must be perfect to get into the industry. But if you are having confusion, no sir, I am not that much coding friendly, or I don't want to go for depth of the coding, or I don't want to write so much code, then I will recommend the Python. Python is very easy compared to Java. If you are planning for web development, it is very easy in Python. Within the 3 months, you will become a very good web developer in this Python. But in Java, it will take at least 6 months of time to become a good developer. Many people will tell in 1 month, 2 months it is possible. But I will tell you that is just few concepts you will learn, not all. If you want to go thoroughly, then 6 months will be required. If you want to master in Python, same thing, then 3 months are enough. That is my experiences. Apart from that, AWS. What is AWS? AWS is like cloud technology. If you want to deploy something on the server or and you don't want to code anything, then I will recommend you for AWS. And last is data science. So as you know, data science is very booming in the market nowadays. So ML, AI, all these concepts will come into the data science. Still, if you are having any doubts, I hope you got clarity what exactly and how you should start the programming. Don't jump in all at once. Decide what is your interest, and then you start any one of this language. If still you are having any doubts, you can comment me or you can connect with PR software team. We will give you the free guidance on this technology. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe my channel for more updates.